back to Revved Repairs. I'm Peyton, he's Brayden.
And today we're going to be tightening up a Pitman arm and recalibrating a 1998 Dodge Dakota steering.
Coming under the truck here, you're going to locate the Pitman arm and the Pitman arm bolt. And right here, you have the Pitman arm, the steering gearbox, and this little thread that comes down, and this bolt. The Pitman arm slides up onto these threads and bolts on so you can steer.
So after you've loosened your Pitman arm, we're going to come back in here into the cab and we're going to recalibrate your steering wheel. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to turn it all the way to the left until you can't turn no more. Next, what you're going to want to do, you're going to count your turns. So we're going to judge it off of this line right here. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So now you're going to divide that by 2, and you're going to want to turn the wheel back, turn and 3/4. So 1 and 3/4.
So now that we calibrated the steering wheel, we're gonna go back under to the Pitman arm. So once you find your Pitman arm down here, you're gonna wanna lift up on the Pitman arm. And then you're gonna wanna hand tighten your Pitman arm bolt here. And then once that's hand tightened, you're gonna wanna grab your wrench and fully tighten it down.
A few minutes later.
So now that you've tightened your Pitman arm, let's see if we can steer. Take the keys, turn her on, turn the steering wheel. And look at that. Looks like we got some pretty good steering. Steering wheel straight. Wheels are pretty straight. You're good to go. So now that we've tightened up the Pitman arm and recalibrated your steering, let's talk about what components are in steering and how does it work. So today I got Logan with me. He works at Wolf Motors, works on all sorts of different vehicles. So Logan, explain this diagram for us.
Okay, so as you see, we have our steering wheel, and this turns a shaft that goes all the way down into a gearbox. And as it says gear, there's a gear in it that helps turn it. And then in here, this will make it so it turns left or right. And then when this arm right here, your Pitman arm moves one direction, it pulls the whole entire shaft towards that direction, turning both wheels the same direction. Or it also pushes it to the opposite direction as you turn your steering wheel.
I got Mason and Aiden from Infinite Gamers, and today we're going to ask them a few questions. So Mason, what's your dream car?
Ford F-350, 2014.
2014 Ford F-350. What's one thing you like about that truck?
It's diesel.
It's diesel?
Yeah, it's a big truck.
Alrighty. Aiden, what's your dream vehicle?
My dream vehicle is a Tesla.
A Tesla?
Yeah. You can't look at me like that. He started laughing as soon as I said Tesla. And that's the first kind of.
What's one thing you like about Teslas?
It's fully electric, you know? Save the environment.
Yeah, okay. Good to know. Good to know. What do you drive now?
2012 Nissan Rogue.
What's your favorite part about that vehicle?
It's simple.
Simple?
Yep.
Alright. What do you drive now?
2007 Nissan Maxima.
And why do you like your Maxima?
I don't. It sucks.
You don't? Why does it suck?
Because it does. It's old.
It's old. How many miles you got on that thing?
270,000.
Oh, yeah, that's getting there for a maximum.
Yeah.
Mason, what's one thing you'd like to see on our channel?
Window change.
Window change, gotcha. Aiden?
I would like to see you guys change some headlights out.
Change some headlights, perfect. I'd like to thank Mason and Aiden for coming out and allowing me to ask them a few questions on our channel. You can find their YouTube channel, Infinite Gameverse, at the JHS Creative Communications YouTube page.
Want to get in there?
Probably not a breath.
Well, winded?
Yeah. Just a little bit. Yeah, you don't need the dad bod showing.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Said you don't need the dad bod showing.
Yeah. Look here. You're gonna locate the Pitman arm. Come here though.
Oh, you're filming?
Oh,
shit.
Yep. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to Revved Up Repairs. I'm Peyton. He's Brayden. And today we are going to